Hi, this is Cheryl St.Pierre of Majestic Wire Artworks with a new package opening from Beebeecraft. This is a bigger package than I normally get because we're spreading out our packages a bit. And with this package, I am going to be making 3 tutorials. So they'll be spread out a little bit, and I will link them up as I make them. So check back regularly, and you will find the links to the videos if you didn't get the notification for them. So I've pre-opened it and to make it faster, and opened up the packages to make it easier because this was all cellophane shut and difficult to open, especially with the way my fingernails are now with COVID, not having artificial nails. So these are a package of Panda Hall Elite clasps with 3 colors. Now I have the exact ones in silver from a different package opening, but in this package there is some antique copper, some brass or gold. It actually looks more, sorry, that's gold. And then this one's the brass. It's antique brass. So now I've got the 4 colors. So in my tutorial, I will be using the silver ones, but I wanted to get, because I work with some other colors, I wanted to get the other colors too. So I will actually put both links up for the silver as well as these so that you can find them easily. Either that or I can just put it up in the tutorial as well. And then I have some 24 gauge silver plated, and this is permanently colored wire. It's enameled, a clear enamel on the outside, and I thought that these were wrapped around copper. Well, the package changed, so I don't know if the product changed, but this is actually around brass, which is better because it's a thinner wire. Because of the gauge has to have the wrapping around it, it makes the actual core of the wire smaller. So it was hard to work harden, but brass work hardens faster than copper. So, and it's a harder metal. It's in this way, I think it's a great idea having brass in the center. It makes perfect sense. Okay, so this is 24 gauge, and I also have the 18 gauge of it, and I will be using both of them in the tutorial I'm planning. Hopefully I succeed with my idea I have in my head. Okay, and these are 16 millimeter electroplated crystals. And they call it rainbow plating, and it comes off in beautiful hues. Okay, so this is the side with the electroplate. Some people might prefer that side. I prefer this side because it is I like that pink that comes through. It's got gold, it's got pink, it's got multiple colors coming through there, and I'm hoping this really shows up on the video. They're gorgeous, they're large. It's a huge strand. Electroplating's coming loose off the, I would imagine it's off the wire stuff. Anyways, there's 50 beads on this strand. So great deal, guys. Check it out. Okay, and oh, yes, I didn't pre-open this package, and maybe I should have. Oh, it's easy to get at, so it's really protected well. Now these are cabochons. There's 15 pieces. Each one's different. So they'd be good for making necklaces because you have one of each. And they're gemstone, semi-precious gemstones. Let's see. It doesn't say the dimensions on there. I don't have the dimensions. I'll measure them, and I will get them in the write-up in the description below so you can take a look. And they're very pretty. Tiger eyes, gorgeous. Hematite. This looks like onyx, goldstone, white quartz, Whoops. So, anyways, they have a variation of, that's rose quartz. This is aventurine. This is red jasper. I'm offhand, I'm not remembering the names, but I'm sure if you know your gemstones, you'll be able to figure out what's what. And I don't know if you'd have these exact stones in your package. I think they're all have the same thing. This is opalite. So opalite's man-made, but it's still considered semi-precious. Goldstone is man-made, and it's considered semi-precious. And I think all the rest, I think this is man-made too, but it's still considered semi-precious. Oh, that's not onyx. That's, you see the glow in there? Oh, I can't remember. Anyways, they're beautiful, and I'm going to experiment with them, and if I come up with something, I'll do a tutorial there too. It might be a bonus tutorial. Not sure when we'll get to it. Okay, so what else do I have in here? These are some natural KESHA pearl beads, and they're considered lilac, but some of them look pinky. They've got definitely a rainbowy look on them. They're beautiful. And you have one big strand here. So that's this. I intend to make use these for 2 tutorials. So look forward to that. And then this is the last thing in my package, and these ended up being much bigger than I anticipated. So the pattern, or the what I plan to make with it, I might have to rethink what I'm going to do with them, because they're really big, but they're beautiful. These are called, there we go, white oval shell pearl beads. So these are shell pearls, but they don't look like your typical shell pearl. They look like real pearls to me. They've got a fabulous finish to them. They're like really rainbowy. They're going to make fantastic pieces of jewelry. So that's all I have in my package. I hope you look forward to what I come up with making with these items, and please check them out and give them a try. And that's all for tonight. We'll see you in the next one. God bless. Take care. Bye for now.